Are you heartbroken after a breakup? Do you want your lost love back? Papa and Mama Sadam can help. They are famous African healers and spellcasters. Their voodoo love spells work fast. They bring back your lost lover. They restore love and happiness. Papa and Mama Sadam understand your pain. These spells come from ancient African traditions. They have been used for generations. They mix this heritage with modern voodoo magic. These spells work immediately. Love spells are made just for you. They fix problems like misunderstandings, cheating, or drifting apart. They use the best ingredients and rituals. These love spells are powerful and safe. Your well-being is our priority. And here's the best part. Pay only when it works. Don't let heartbreak control your life. Take the first step to get your lost lover back. Experience the magic of true love. Contact Papa Sadam on the number at the screen